A. He has been working on the project since Monday. B. He has been working on the project for Monday. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is since. Since is used with a specific point in time, while for is used for a duration of time. Here, Monday is a specific starting point in time. A. We will meet you at the coffee shop on 5th Avenue. B. We will meet you in the coffee shop on 5th Avenue. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is at. At is used for specific locations, whereas an indicates being inside or within a larger area. Here, the reference is to a specific location. A. She moved to Paris in search of better opportunities. B. She moved to Paris for search of better opportunities. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is in. In search of is the correct phrase for indicating the purpose of movement or action, whereas for would not be used in this context. A. The cat jumped from the window to the garden. B. The cat jumped to the window to the garden. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is from. From indicates the starting point of movement, and to indicates the direction or end point. Here, the movement starts from the window. A. They are planning to go to Spain in March. B. They are planning to go to Spain on March. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is in. In is used for months, years, and seasons, while on is used for specific days and dates. A. The painting hangs above the fireplace. B. The painting hangs over the fireplace. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Both could be considered correct, but above is more precise here as it indicates a position higher than something without touching it. Over can imply covering or movement. A. We walked across the bridge at sunset. B. We walked through the bridge at sunset. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is across. Across is used for surfaces or areas leading to the other side, while through implies movement from one end to another within something. A. The kids ran through the hall to the playground. B. The kids ran across the hall to the playground. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is through. Through indicates movement from one end to another within an enclosed space, unlike across, which is used for surfaces. A. I'll be with you in a moment. B. I'll be with you at a moment. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is in. In a moment means shortly or after a very brief period, whereas at is not used in this context. A. She's been living there since 2003. B. She's been living there from 2003. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is since. Since indicates the starting point in time for actions or situations that continue to the present, unlike from. A. The book is on the table. B. The book is at the table. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is on. On indicates a position on a surface, while at generally indicates a specific point or location. A. He walked to the door to answer the phone. B. He walked towards the door to answer the phone. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Both to and towards indicate direction, but to is more definitive, suggesting a completed movement to a specific location, which is the context here.
Don't miss out on our videos. Subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
Taking your English
To the next level.
video by video.